Hey Glammies, hey guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. You guys can here. Continue watching. Today I'm gonna share with you my recipe of sushi, but not whatever sushi, not every California roll. I'm speaking how I'm gonna name my recipe, but it's my version of Colombian recipe, my Latina side. I create this recipe. Sometimes I begin I love sushi and I create diversity of, but today is with the flavor of the coast and the tropical and the people and everything. So let's go to the ingredients. So guys, the first ingredient is the sushi rice or the California rice. Short grain work perfect for this recipe. Second is sesame. You can use the black sesame, but our rice is black. I'm gonna use the normal ones. You have coconut milk, and those things for the rice. And the nori, seaweed nori that we're gonna need, you can find in Walmart and whatever store in the section of Asiatic food. And this is the most important thing, number one we're gonna need to create our sushis, and it's our sushi mat. And I got this from Walmart, but you can find it whatever Japanese place maybe. So, and rice, vinegar and salt. If you don't got white vinegar, you can use whatever, but rice is perfect. Brown sugar, and we're gonna be using shrimps. So because it's more like fish, you can use fish or whatever, but it's the cost food. And so we got avocados, cucumbers, and mayo, and sriracha sauce. And let's begin. Look, that beautiful rice. This rice is short grained or medium grain, not that short. And we're gonna count, and we're gonna need 1 cup of rice. So let's see, check the rice. It's a medium. There's another rice that's shorter. And so the first step is wash so good our rice. We need to clean too much water, and when the water get clear, it's ready to use, because if had too much starch, your rice gonna be so too sticky, and we don't want that. So to make the coconut rice, the first thing we're gonna use is the coconut milk, and we're gonna need 1 cup. 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of coconut milk. And as a normal coconut rice, we're gonna fry first our coconut milk and leaving them. So we're gonna make our dressing for the rice to get that sushi flavor, and we're gonna need rice vinegar. I don't gonna make a lot because still I want to feel the coconut flavor and all the smell out of rice. So brown sugar and salt and some water, and you're gonna leave that for 10 minutes. And here is frying. We are waiting for this dry it out, and it still took that gold color that we want. So while this doing, we're gonna be cleaning our shrimps for our sushis. Remember the straight up you shrimp. I forgot to do here, but you need to cut with a knife a little bit to it be straight. So make the sushi easy. Here we are, like, yeah, it's almost done. You see, we add the sugar, the brown sugar, and we're gonna add the rice. But first, me to add in the rice, I want to let you know that I take off all the oil. The coconut milk, they leave a lot of the oil, and I put apart, so I don't got any kind of oil. And then you put 1 cup of water, and you're gonna let your rice dry with the help of a towel. When he become boiled, I use the towel, and I'm gonna put again the towel. So for the shrimps, we're gonna use like 2 or 3 shrimps. So I'm gonna use this blend fish fry. You can use tempura floured, and so I'm gonna do just like this for, I don't know, extra healthy and flavor. I don't gonna use any season because this mixture had already season on it. So this is how our rice is going on. It's so perfect, the grain is so perfect. So now we're gonna fry our chicken. You see what I told you? This is the coconut oil. The coconut oil I recirculate from the coconut rice. I put a part, so those shrimps gonna have all the flavors, the coconut and garlic. I put garlic on it, so gonna be so boom. Now let's see how this rice looks so perfect at the point to make sushi. So now you can use sushi with rice, leftovers of the coconut rice you have for one day before. I have done the first time I did this recipe. I don't know, it was so great as well. So now we are seasoning with all those delicious flavor. Guys, this takes the best delicious flavor and a smell ever. Now we're gonna be cutting an avocados for our recipe, because we eat, when we go to the sea, to the coast, we eat avocados, salad, fish, and coconut rice. And now let's gonna do a mayo sriracha. And this is our sriracha. We're gonna mix together. I can eat sushi if I don't got these things. That remember me the mayo ketchup or salsa rosada, pink sauce from my country. So it's delicious. I love this blend. And now we have our sushi mat. We're gonna take a nori. This is so exciting, guys. We are building up our sushi. So that's the nori. They have two sides. We're gonna work in the rough one, and the one is not soft is the one we're gonna work in. You can see it got like marks, little marks. This is when we're gonna cut in, when we cut in. So you see, I'm gonna leave it in a space between the wheat, the seaweed, and the bamboo. I'm gonna leave a little distance, and we begin putting our seasoned coconut rice in the middle. You can use your hands, wash your hands. And one thing I want to make sure you do is pick all your hair while you're constructing this or working with sushi, because nothing disgusting in the world that for the people appear a hair on a sushi. So make sure you tie your hair and cover with a cap and clean your hands and sanitize them. So I'm gonna make a little way on the middle like a hot dog, you see, and that's gonna help me to bring more like shape on my sushi. And then I'm gonna bring the spoon, because the spoon is for that, for help to put your rice together. Look how pretty, it's so pretty. And now we need to reverse, because the rolls are alike like California rolls. Here I use a dish, but I don't need it. I have to do on the bamboo. And so now I put in the bamboo, and we're gonna begin. It's the California rolls, but it's coastal rolls. Coastal, from coast, sea, beach, shrimp, salad, fish. Oh my goodness, delicious. So this is what I say, instead of put the shrimps like this, put two long and big shrimps. They're gonna make easier at the time you're gonna cut your sushi. Make sure that your sushi be on target, and then you continue giving the stream, but you always have to watch out to see if it is taking the shape. So you see how pretty it is and how clean. Now we fix the points, the edges, and here I'm gonna add the sesame. I didn't add at the beginning because you see this rice have like black and stuff, so I don't need it. I'm just gonna put in there, and just gonna fix that avocado on the top. This avocado didn't help me that much. I'm gonna tell you, it was like not ready to cook, but instead tastes so good. And now we're gonna give shape. We're gonna give the avocado the shape of the sushi. We're gonna press gentle but roundy, and you see. And I'm using a plastic bag before. For cut the sushi, we always need a clean and big knife. In this case, a small knife, but you're gonna cut and continue cutting in two and in fours and all that. For make this video quickly, I already did, and I fixed it on my plate, on my dish. And we're gonna put the ajonjolí. Thank you to my friend Amparo and all his family. Send regards. You sent me those first same. Now we're gonna pour our mayo sriracha on the top for decor. And we got soy sauce. I didn't use wasabi because I think like it's Colombian recipe. So I love sriracha. And here we decorating, and this look like so pretty, cool, delicious, and all the words in the words we can describe this recipe. When I clean a little bit now, I pass a napkin, and here we are departing in family, enjoying, giving thanks to the Lord for the delicious meal. And guys, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I do and like this flavor on my recipe. I got copyright for this recipe, so and enjoy, and see you, bye bye.